Hello everyone, today we have this Mercedes Benz ML350 CDI, the V6 diesel. So this is coming for its annual regular running service, plus of course the cosmetic exterior and interior detailing. So now I'm going to show you what all we are going to be replacing as part of the service. So these are the filters currently in the car. This is the air filter, it is already blocked, a lot of contamination. This is the AC filter and one more AC filter which is fully blocked. So along with that we are going to be replacing with the new oil filter element and a new fuel filter. So fuel filter is already fitted in the car, plus we have fitted one of the air filters. This particular car comes with two of them. So this is the fresh air filter, the AC filters. So along with this we are also going to be replacing the clock spring and the back boot struts which have gotten weak. So I'm going to take you through that also. Now we have carried out the replacement of the clock spring along with the steering angle sensor. So this comes in the inside of the steering behind this. So this is where the clock spring sits. We have put in the new one, and along with that we have taken out the airbag unit. So this has been disconnected safely. So this will be placed back over here once the job is completed. As you know, nowadays there is a lot more instances of road rage and accidents happening and extortion happening on the roads. So we suggest you install a dash camera for all your cars. So on this particular Benz which is coming today, we are going to be installing the F70 Pro, the dash cam from Thinkware. This is one only for the front. It's a very compact unit and we have already installed it there on the windshield. So it comes with its own kit of wiring and all the connectors are readily available, so there is no cutting of wires involved, and this will be tapped from the fuse box. So we do have a wide range of dash cams available with us. So if you need any such dash camera, please do let us know. So we have completed the regular running service of this Mercedes Benz ML. And along with that we have carried out a replacement of the clock spring which I showed earlier. So now the horn is working fine. Along with that we have also carried out the replacement of the rear boot strut which was having a problem and making a lot of sound. So now it's operating smoothly. So these are the two struts which we have replaced. This is the old strut which is worn out, and the boot is back to its smooth operation. So along with the mechanical service as well as the replacement of these parts, we have also given it one round of our ceramic graphene top up. So this helps the car look good and protected. So if you need any mechanical running service for your car and also to keep it looking good, please do get in touch with us.